In today's video, I will walk you through how to view commodity prices on investing.com. Whether you're tracking inflation hedges like gold, energy swings in crude oil, or agricultural shifts in wheat, monitoring global commodity markets is essential for macro analysis. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate investing.com to track real-time commodity prices, filter by sectors, and pull up advanced performance charts in under 3 minutes. Head over to the top navigation bar on investing.com and hover over the Markets tab. From the drop-down menu, click on Commodities. This brings you straight to the main Global Commodities dashboard. Right away, you'll see a comprehensive master table tracking major contracts, current prices, daily net changes, and percentage shifts. Look just above the main table for category subtabs: metals, energy, grains, softs, meats, and commodity indices. Click on any of these to narrow your focus to a specific asset class. Clicking on any individual asset, like gold or copper, opens its dedicated profile page. From here, you aren't just looking at a static price. You can pull up interactive historical charts, check technical indicators like moving averages, and read up on the latest breaking news impacting supply and demand. Viewing commodity prices on investing.com is a simple way to stay informed about global markets and monitor the assets that matter most to you. With easy access to live prices, interactive charts, and additional market information, you can quickly keep track of commodity performance whenever you need it. And that's how to view commodity prices on investing.com.